welcome to Kayseri, a city nestled in the heart of central Anatolia, where the skyline is dominated by the majestic Mount Asais, a snow-capped volcano rising over 3,900 meters above sea level. From the sky, Kayseri appears as a harmonious blend of modern urban sprawl and ancient heritage, surrounded by wide plains and dramatic volcanic landscapes. As we descend closer, the mountain's icy silhouette gently fades into the bustling rhythm of city life. Kayseri is a dynamic fusion of tradition and innovation. On its busy streets, honking cars weave past street vendors selling freshly baked simit. Modern shopping centers like Forum Kayseri stand side by side with historic stone bazaars. You'll see students, business professionals, and families moving with purpose, a sign of the city's booming economy and youthful energy. At the city's core stands the Kayseri Castle, a timeless sentinel made of dark basalt stone. Originally built by the Romans and reinforced by the Byzantines and Seljuks, this fortress has watched over the city for centuries. As you walk through its ancient gates, echoes of soldiers, merchants, and sultans seem to whisper through the wind-worn walls. Not far from the castle is the breathtaking Hunat Hatun complex, a crown jewel of Seljuk architecture. Built in the 13th century by Mehperi Hunat Hatun, the mother of Sultan Alaeddin Kekubad, this compound includes a mosque, madrasa, hammam, and tomb. Its ornate stonework and geometric carvings are silent poetry carved in stone, reflecting the golden age of the Seljuks. Step into Kayseri's covered bazaar and you're instantly surrounded by the scent of spices, the shimmer of copperware, and the hum of trade. This centuries-old market isn't just a place to shop, it's where Kayseri's soul breathes. Artisans still handcraft leather, jewelry, and locally woven carpets using traditional methods passed down through generations. When in Kayseri, food is not just a meal, it's an experience. The city is famous for its signature dishes, mand, tiny meat-filled dumplings served with garlic yogurt and chili butter, and pastuma, a seasoned cured beef that fills the air with its rich aroma. Watching these delicacies being prepared in family-run kitchens is a reminder that here, culinary heritage is sacred. Just 25 kilometers south of the city lies Asais Ski Resort, a winter wonderland for adventure seekers. With pristine slopes, modern lifts, and panoramic views, this is Turkey's premier ski destination. Even in the warmer months, the area becomes a playground for mountain bikers and hikers, offering crisp air and a close connection to nature. Kayseri is not only a city of the present, it's deeply rooted in history. The Kayseri Archaeology Museum houses artifacts that span thousands of years, from Neolithic tools to Hittite tablets, Roman statues to Ottoman relics. Each exhibit tells a chapter of Anatolia's vast and layered story. This city has long been a meeting point of cultures and faiths. The Grand Mosque, built in the 12th century, still calls the faithful to prayer, while ancient Armenian churches and Greek Orthodox chapels stand as a testament to Kayseri's once diverse communities. These sacred spaces remind us of the city's multi-faith past and its enduring spirit of coexistence. As the sun sets over the plains, Kayseri glows in golden hues. The minarets cast long shadows, and Mount Asais turns a soft purple under the fading light. It's a moment of peace, a perfect conclusion to a day of exploration. Kayseri is a city that connects history with progress, spirituality with resilience, a true gem in the heart of Anatolia. If you enjoyed this journey through Kayseri, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more untold stories from the heart of Turkey.